let's talk about New York City. I don't know about you, but I'm scrolling through X and I'm seeing all this congestion pricing and people praising it. Like, oh my God, I'm so happy it's here. Dude, do you not realize that you owe money now to the state for just moving your freaking car in lower Manhattan?
Hmm? Well, this was major news. I mean, right? There's two sides, obviously. In every issue, there's two sides of two camps battling. One says, "Oh, it's great. There's going to be less cars," but the headline in the New York Post was Uber Lyft spent millions pushing for New York City congestion pricing and stand to make a killing. You guys need to put two and two together. Why? Why? Well, congestion pricing means you're not going to drive your car down there, right? If you're driving in New York, I don't know why anybody would do, but let's say you are. But this is it's going to increase the utilization rate actually of the existing Uber and Lyft cars. But I got some screenshots from New York drivers, and they're saying actually they may be, and I'm still researching this, they may be the ones paying for it because specifically Jersey drivers, first of all, on Uber, they don't even know where they're going. They don't have upfront fares. But if you're in Jersey and accept a trip to the Five Boroughs to New York City, you know what the penalty is, right? You cannot pick up a trip and go back. And now you have all the tolls, and now you have all the congestion pricing on top of you. So if you're a Jersey driver, please be careful accepting these trips going into New York City. But it makes sense for Uber and Lyft to push congestion pricing to get rid of all the cars, so their cars are busier. Well, Uber, Lyft are busier. And as we know, we did a lot of content on drivers getting locked out because the utilization rate was not there. But then I received a couple of other screenshots from drivers already in New York City saying that Uber just cut the toll that they would pay up front, and now the money is gonna come out of their pocket, basically. I'm still looking into it. I'm actually going to talk to the person that's in this article, Josh, and find out from their end what they're seeing. And the next two screenshots will show you guys what one driver got in New York City. Here's what you should know about tolls when dropping off in New York City. Hi, Mark. We are making some updates on trips between New York City and New Jersey. This is a Jersey driver, and this is, he sent me both of these screenshots. Riders currently pay, and you currently receive $20 for tolls between New York City and New Jersey. Due to congestion pricing and other rising costs starting January 5th, we'll reimburse the cost of the tolls to better reflect your trip expenses. For trips beginning in New Jersey, if you're on a trip from Jersey into New York City, riders will reimburse the applicable toll cost at $16.06 during peak hours and $14.06 during off-peak hours. Why did it go from 20 to 16? The guy was like baffled, right? And these are the costs. And I got a couple extra emails. So if you're a New York City driver, please get in touch with me and educate me on this. If this is coming out of your pocket, because when I ask Uber, I know what Uber's going to say. Oh, no, by no means it's coming out of the pocket. So these are the tolls, Chris. This is your backyard, kind of 5 hours away, but it's still a backyard.
Oh, this thing around me. I don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, but drivers are about to be slapped with higher costs to enter Manhattan below 60th Street with the new congestion charge and fees for using bridges or tunnels. Well, we know how many of those exist in New York City. I'm just want to make sure that drivers are not getting shortchanged. I know Jersey drivers are from that email he received from Uber, but even inside the five boroughs, right? New York City is a super complicated market, bro. Seriously. I mean, with the TLC being involved with Uber and Lyft and the minimum now, and they have a time and distance, they have minimums. It's a super complicated market, but I want to hear from some New York City drivers if you guys feel like, or you can prove it to me, that this is coming out of your pocket and it's lowering your earnings. And from the screenshot on the left, it looks like it. They lowered it from 20 to 16. in peak and 20 to 14 at off peak. Now, nobody's going to pick up in Jersey and go into the city if that's the case.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Probably not.
Yeah.
But the one thing though that I found bewilderingly was that people were like standing out and saying, "Oh, it finally passed. It's finally here. I am so happy." Like, really? You not really? I mean, these are people that just don't drive or something. I don't know.
Well, this was
They
also
don't
done, by the
understand
way.
the world of economics. I mean, I don't get it. It's literally a tax that the government is coming and saying, "Hey, we are making you pay us more money," and people are happy with it. Like, they're just in lockstep. I think their brains are absolutely fried.
Well, the other thing they brought on the congestion pricing is for public transportation to be used more, but they even have that on them. Like if you go rent like a city bike, through Lyft has city bikes there. There's congestion pricing. So the pricing on those is lower. So they want you to use more bikes. They want you to use more, the subway more, and they want you to use all that stuff more. And that was the basic idea behind congestion pricing, that utilization of
Uber and
those
Lyft are like,
other
"Oh,
assets.
yes, this is a
Yeah.
perfect opportunity for us to expand our cars.
Yeah.
Now we don't
Well,
have to lock out drivers, but we can pay them less, and
yeah.
they'll take more
So,
routes."
yeah, please, if you're a New York City driver and you watch this, send me your screenshots of what you think if you're getting shortchanged, if it's coming out of your pocket, because it shouldn't.
That's why I propose an eVTOL. I'm going to be flying around New York City, picking up people, dropping them off, and then where the sensors are, I'm going to be like, "Too bad you can't get me because I'm in the air. I'm not congesting anything. I'm up and driving around, up and down, up and down."
Wait, did Sergio paint his nails white? No, I don't mess with that shit, bro. Anyway,
Right.
yeah. So, but anyway, so email me, Sergio@rideshareguy.com. I need to get to the bottom of this, and I'll also ask Josh. I go, what's happening with this thing? Can you explain this to me? Because he's on top of it, so he's in every quote that Uber as an Uber representative. So I'm like, okay,
Well, because he's the Uber rep that's out there talking.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.